It's significant for us because this is the beginning of the year. So you've been through all of the summer, your crops are all in, you've got everything ready to go, and then you buckle down for winter. So that's the natural time for the beginning of a year is at this time. So by us reclaiming this is part of our Aotearoa shared narrative that we're able to participate in and acknowledge the fact that it's not just puanga. We're not just talking about puanga, we're talking about the whole year. This is the beginning of the year and the different stages and the different periods that we do certain things. And we have to be with intention. We have to have intentional and be intentional in the way that we respond to the plans we make for the year.